In this video, I am going to show you how I recycle my silver waste. For that, I use sodium hydroxide, glucose and sodium chloride as chemicals. Warning: sodium hydroxide is corrosive. Silver containing solutions are toxic. Wear proper safety equipment when handling those chemicals. Before I start the process, let me show you how I collect silver waste. If you have watched my previous videos about how to make silver nitrate, silver mirror test, silver chloride photography, when those were making, I didn't discard the silver containing solutions. First, I took a waste bottle and checked the pH. It was acidic. That is fine. If the solution is basic, it needs to be neutralized. Also, there was some silver chloride precipitate in the solution. That is okay. Then I transferred the solution into a round bottom flask and added sodium chloride solution to precipitate all the silver in the chloride form. In this solution, there was no more silver ions left in the solution. Then I let the solution set down and moved to another waste bottle. I transferred the liquid into a beaker and added sodium chloride solution. In this liquid there was more unreacted silver ions. Therefore, solution turned into milky color. Then what I did was discard excess liquid remained in the round bottom flask except the precipitate and transfer the liquid in the beaker into the round bottom flask. After that, I again add a sodium chloride solution to make sure all the silver ions were precipitated out well. I let the solution settle down for 15 minutes. After that, solution was little bit cloudy. That was fine. I can refine that silver in another process. Therefore, I transferred the solution back it again to waste bottle. Now you can see here all the silver chloride that I collected from this process that I am going to convert into silver metal that you can watch in next video.